Hi, welcome to Yogi Cas channel. Today I have a 5-minute energy boosting practice. This practice will help you shift from sleepy to energized, from scattered to centered. Take these 5 minutes for yourself and let your morning begin with clarity, vitality, and a sense of effortless momentum. Let's start. Let's put hands to prayer mudra. Breathe in to chant. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Atgure Name, Jugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Atgure Name, Jugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Atgure Name, Jugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Breathe in, invite your higher self to guide you through this Kundalini practice. Keep you safe and give you maximum benefits. And breathe out, hands down to Gyan Mudra. And we're starting with the first exercise. We're keeping our eyes closed and we're warming up the body and the energetic system. We are doing a spinal flex, back and forth. And when we come to the front, we breathe in. And when we go to the back, we breathe out. And find a comfortable rhythm that is good for you. This spinal flex is awakening and balancing the pranic body. And this moving the spine, it helps release blockages along the Sushumna nadi in the central energy channel. We're also stimulating the lower chakras, and the movement pumps energy through Muladhara, the root chakra, Svadhisthana, the sacral chakra, Manipura, the solar plexus. So all the lower 3 chakras, energy is flowing through them, and we are raising that energy up to the higher chakras. This exercise, it warms the pranic body and prepares the spine for Kundalini rising. And breathe in, squeeze your Mulbandh, push this energy up, and out, hands down to Gyan Mudra. And we're moving on with breathing through the O-shaped mouth, and the rhythm is hand goes to the front, we breathe in, hand comes to the back, we breathe out, and we're rotating with the hands. Find your own rhythm. And keep your eyes closed. Eyes are rolled up to the third eye. We are bringing that beautiful prana into our system, into our body. And we're waking up the body, waking up the nadis, the lymphatic system. And we're allowing that energy to raise to the higher chakras. And this energy that we're generating now is carrying us through the whole day with feeling light, energetic, and happy. Now breathe in, Hold your Mulbandh, fingers are wide. And now hold your breath, squeeze your Mulbandh, put hands in the fists and squeeze, squeeze, push this energy up. And relax, hands down to Gyan Mudra. And just feel that lightness of breath, refreshment, that ease and well-being. I hope you carry this magnificent energy to the whole day. I wish you all the best. Thank you for joining me. Bye.